So, welcome everyone on Vandana's Art. Today we are going to make a lotus painting. So, first thing I'll request everybody to draw a border. Take 1 centimeter here, then 0.2 or 3, then again 1 and 0.2 or 3. Like this, you make the border on all the 4 sides. So, after making the border, we are drawing the lotuses in the border. So, our one lotus will be in between 3 dots. 3 dots means this is 0, this is 1 and this is 3rd. So, one lotus will get over in these 3 dots, 0, 1 and 2. So, next lotus will start from 2, 3 and 4. Why we are doing this? So that our all lotuses have same size. After drawing the outline, we will have to erase all the pencil marks. They don't look nice. So everywhere we will erase the pencil marks. Now we have corners. In the corners we are just going to draw simple leaf. One leaf and like this. In all the corners, leaf is going outside. First you draw a line like this, a diagonal like this. See, this is a diagonal in this square, and now you make a leaf around it. And full lines. In Madhubani art, there are no half lines. It's full line. Now in the leaf along with black line, we are drawing green color line. Like this. And in the lotus, we are doing kachni with pink color. Just simple lines. So we are drawing lotuses now. Double line here. First we are drawing a bird. Double line on the bird. We are doing double line only on the top part of the bird. Then double line here. Now lotus here. This is the center part. Roughly measurement is 1 finger. Then both the sides. Now to make it Madhubani, we are double lining it. And we are drawing these things on the head, on each petal.
So we are drawing black color lines first, and then we will draw the green color and pink color in between. So here is the black color. I'm going to fill. I'm using acrylic permanent marker with acrylic paint. Here we will draw small dashes. And green color kachni here. Tirchi kachni we are giving. So like this we will follow the pattern in the whole painting. We are giving background kachni in this shape so that it will look like, it will give the feeling of water in the background. Normally in Madhubani paintings, the background is white color only. So I am drawing these. We are showing the touch of blue color. So with this, our painting is ready. Thank you for watching Vandana's art. Thank you very much. I'm drawing this wave in the blank space just to give a filled feeling, and along with this I will try to draw black line which is compulsory in Madhubani.